everyone, our crew is going camping today. So we're gonna take you along as we load up and as we get ready to go and show you what we packed for this weekend camping trip. Here is all of our camping stuff for just one weekend. Oh wait, there's a cooler behind Matt with stuff on it. But this is our camping stuff for one weekend.
All right, we have our coffee pot, toilet bags, we have the lantern, we have a wash basin, plates, cookingware, more plates, basically everything we need.
Isn't that the shower bag too?
That's a shower bag.
Okay.
Clothesline. There's even a folding shovel in here.
Is our hammer in here?
Right here.
Okay. Yeah. And a broom.
Small broom for sweeping out the tent.
Next thing on our list and going in is going to be the Coleman stove, and we also have to get the gas. We actually store those separately, so I'm going to go get the gas while he loads up the stove. Next thing going in is going to be our tent, so I'm going to step out of his way. The first one is, the brown one is the shower tent, babe.
Yes.
The next one is going to be our kitchen tent. It has mesh sides on it. And the next one's going to be a 6-person. It's a 12-foot by 8-foot dome tent. And we can fit 2 to 3 air mattresses in there. We also, for camping purposes, have a stand for our Coleman stove. You can kind of see from the picture how it works when set up. How big is that one?
It's 4x4 whenever it's folded out.
Okay, so that's our 4x4 table. We're taking it and not the bigger one that I showed earlier. Next, we're taking our biggest cooler. This is supposed to be one of those like 24, 48-hour coolers, something like that. It has cup holders on it, so it's perfect for fitting all the food for our family of 5 for one weekend. Next thing going out is this teal crate. Now, the crate was something that I used to use for yarn storage, but for this trip, I took all my extra yarn out of it. In the bottom, I have 1 pair of sandals for each person. That is what that crate is going to be used for. It's going to be putting sandals in at the end of the day right outside the tent. Also in here is hoodies for everybody for this trip. 2 inflatable mattresses, a hand pump in case the electric pump goes out, and a tarp. Speaking of the electric pump, it gets stored in this tote with extra batteries for it. The red cooler here is what Matt uses for his bait bucket. We actually still had a couple of worms left from our 4th of July trip, so we are putting, they're already in there, and there's 2 ice packs in with them. The next tote is our largest 31 tote. I absolutely love these totes, and if we start doing more camping, I am going to be picking up more 31 totes from my friend Amber, because this worked out absolutely perfectly. I could use one more though, because we were not able to get all of Matt's clothes in there. His is in a separate bag. This one has all of the girls' clothes for the weekend, 1 change of pajamas, 3 changes of clothes each, like complete outfits, 1 bag of just undergarments with extras for everybody, their swimsuits, and the 3 blankets on top are also their throw blankets. The next bag we're going to be using is also a 31 bag. That one's slightly smaller, but it was perfect for what I need it for. That one has just the toiletries and 1 towel per person and 1 washcloth per person to use for this trip. But yeah, like I said, if I ever had the opportunity to get another one of those, and if we start going camping more, I would get a 3rd one because it's perfect for this kind of vacation. So this is the duffel bag I was talking about. This is where all of Matt's clothes are because I couldn't fit them in a 31 bag. Like I said, if I could get another one, I would do it. This is also a 31 purse. And this one has just swimming stuff in it. It has everybody's swim gear. So I said the other one had their swim gear. I was actually wrong. Everybody's swim gear is actually in the bottom of this. And the 3 towels you see on top are the pool covers that I made for the girls for Disney. So all the swim stuff is in 1 bag. The next one is a bag that we call our teal bag. This is what holds all of our sunscreen and bug spray for the weekend. Next things to go are going to be the 5 sleeping bags. This will be Madeline's first trip in an adult sleeping bag. We're also going to be taking pillows for Matt and I, and then the girls are bringing their pillow pets. Rebecca has the Winnie the Pooh, Madeline has a buried penguin right now, and Sarah has a buried ladybug. Next are the life jackets. We only have 2 kid life jackets. We're going to be working on getting adult life jackets. 1's Rebecca's and 1's Sarah's. Next we have 5 camping chairs, 1 per person, and on top of the camping chairs we also have these 2 little bags right here. They are actually fold out camping tables. And also important for going camping is if you're going to bring your own toilet, you kind of need to bring your own toilet paper. That's the toilet paper I picked up at Aldi's the other day. That is an empty coffee can that we're going to use to store one roll of toilet paper at a time. The girls decided to take their splash ones that they got at summer reading this year. You're not going to splash your sister, are you?
Maybe. I'm going to squirt my red one at you then.
Last things we have to pack up are our portable toilet, my backpack, the wagon, and all of Matt's fishing gear. If you want to see separate videos on his fishing channel of like his fishing gear for night fishing, his fishing gear for day fishing and all that, let us know in the comments below. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.